Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Happy Girl Alaska. I am your girl Terry, and if you are new here, welcome. So today is Saturday and we are off to run some errands here. I'm taking baby girl to do some back to school shopping, which is super exciting. They're going to be going back to school here in a couple weeks, so we want to go ahead and hit the mall. I'm thinking we're probably going to be over in the Diamond Mall doing most of our shopping because it seems like a lot of places they've closed quite a few of their clothing stores. It's weird. So anyway, we're going to head over there. We're going to grab some breakfast first, or brunch rather. I think it's closer to lunchtime before we go. But before we go, I am going to show you my outfit real quick. All right, y'all, listen. I am feeling a little bloated today, so I decided I'm gonna go with this is actually a dress. It's a shirt dress, kind of short, but I love it. It has this cute v-neck here, and then it has some pockets, and if I wanted to, I could belt it at the waist to make it to where it doesn't look like I'm like 3 months pregnant. But I really could not be bothered today. I'm gonna just wear it as is. I love how the back of it has like a lower, kind of like a high-low effect or whatever. So that's cool. I'm wearing it with these black leggings. Super comfortable. I found these on Amazon. If I can remember, I will put a link to them down in the description box. And then I have these really super cute boots. Now, it is August. It's not even mid-August yet, but the weather is already starting to show signs of, like, you know, she's going through her moods right now. So I think it's probably going to be 62 degrees at the warmest today. And for me, usually when it hits August, that's when I'm like, okay, it's fall. It's fall season, y'all. Let's go ahead and start wearing our boots. Let's start wearing our capes, cardigans, yada yada. But I'm really big on the boots, so super excited to break these out. They're very comfortable. I love the heel height, and they're just cute. I love it. So this is kind of giving me like an 80s vibe or something like that. The print, I guess, could kind of look like flower power looking design. I don't know. I don't really care. I just know that I'm comfortable, and that is the name of the game today. That's the name of the game. So anyway, we are gonna go ahead and scoot out the door here in a second, and we will check back in. Thank you, my dear. Alright, you guys, we are in the Diamond Center Mall. So, where are we going to start? H&M. This way. Alright, we'll check in H&M. Hey you guys, we're out here in these rainy elements. So we're gonna try to get some photos for you guys, even though it's really super rainy. I wanted to try and, I don't know, see if we could make some good use of the day. The weather forecast is calling for rain, I think, for the rest of the week. So it is what it is, you guys. Like I said, summer is over. Summer is over. So anyway, we're gonna find us a nice spot, try to grab some photos, and I'll probably check back in like when we get back to the house. All right, you guys, I'm out here with baby girl. We're getting photos, and she says that I could use more lessons in photography. She's the much better photographer, I have to agree. And she's also a lot pickier, I think, so. Ah! Baby girl. Hold on. I want to try to get a picture of both of us. I think I could take a picture from you. All right, you guys, we have captured all that we're gonna get today. I don't like to be out in weather like this, but I think we did pretty good. We worked with what we had. All right, we're gonna wrap it up. See you guys back at the house.